In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you could fix the photo swap not working on TikTok. Okay, so if it's not working for whatever reason, let me just turn the volume down right now. Okay, so I'm on TikTok, and if I, for an example, hit the plus button in the center, and then I go to upload, I'm going to tap on select multiple. Okay, then go back. I'll select that one and then go back and then select another one. Okay, perfect. And then I go to next. You can see I have the photo swap enabled, but if that's not working for whatever reason, what you can do is you can hop out of that real quick. So I'll discard that. Then you want to go to your TikTok profile. Then you want to tap the three lines at the top right hand corner, then tap on settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll down till you see the option that says free up space. Tap on free up space. And what you want to do is you want to clear the cache. Okay, and you want to clear the downloads. Okay, then you want to test if it works again. If it doesn't work, what you want to do is you want to hop out of TikTok, go to the Play Store or the Apple App Store, and make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of TikTok. So sometimes the app can get corrupted and then they fix it with an update. So you can see I have an update available. Make sure to update to the latest version, and then that should fix the problem. And then obviously open up TikTok and test it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.